Hello, beautiful peoples. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Style Sense. Now, I show you the best and trending stiletto high heels mules. This is very trending in 2024. High heels pumps are a timeless and iconic style of shoe that exude elegance and sophistications, characterized by a sleek, closed-toe and slender heels pumps or visual shoes that can complete wide range of outfit for formal grown to business areas and totally made for luxury materials such as leather, steamed high heels pumps are designed to make a statement with their sleek slitos and dramatic high boost. Whether you're dressing up for special occasions or simply want to add a touch of glamorous to your everyday look, high heels firms are classic choice that every goes out of style with their ability to augment the leg and create a confidence stride. It not wonder how high heels firms remain a staple in many women's shoes. High heel swans are a staple in women's fashion, renowned for their sleek design, comfort, and vesturability, and typically range in height from 2 to 5 inches. These shoes feature a closed-toe and a slender heels, creating streamlined stilettos that lengths that leg and add a touch of sophistication to any outfit made from a variety of materials including luxuries, leathers, and satins and metallic fusions. High heels pumps can be dressed up or down to suit any occasions, whether you're wearing a formal gown, a business suit, and little black dress pumps are the perfect choice to elevate your style, make a statement with their comfortable design and sportive insoles. High heels pumps can be worn for extended periods without compromising on styles or comfort, from classic black and nude to blonde colors and statement designs. High heel pumps are a must-have in every woman's shoes. What adorable! High heel pumps are masterclass in elegance and refinement, boasting a sleek, similar design that we competing flexibilities of centers. With their close to and slender high heels typically range from any high lengths. And if you like my video, so please subscribe to my YouTube channel and share my video with other social media's account. And if you wanted to say something, just comment below. And if you buy this online, so visit amazon.com, aliexpress.com, and away.com. Bye, dear friends. Have a good day.